Hi everyone, today we're going to be making orange chicken in the crock pot. So what all goes into the crock pot orange chicken? 2 cups Sweet Baby Ray's original barbecue sauce, 2 large spoonfuls of soy sauce, 2 cups Smuckers sweet orange marmalade, and 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So let's begin. So I have my crock pot here, and I have my crock pot liner already installed. And then I'm going to put my rack. And the reason why I'm going to do that is I'm going to add just a little bit of water, even though it's not calling for that, so the chicken can steam and not be sitting in the water. And we'll want to go ahead and put our chicken breasts in the crock pot. And we'll put our lid on. And turn it on to high, and we'll let it cook for 3 hours. Okay, so it has been 3 hours, and you need to take out the chicken and cut it up and drain the liquid, and then put the chicken back in and add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, take your cut up chicken and put it back into the drained crock pot. Add your 2 cups orange marmalade, add your 2 cups barbecue sauce, two tablespoons or more of soy sauce. Stir it all together until well combined. Put the lid on it and cook for an additional 30 minutes. Alright, so here is the crock pot orange chicken over white rice. We'll get my husband to go ahead and give it a taste test.
I like this a lot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.